Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling the minimum usable inputs and then take the very first action. Inspect raw scores and timestamps for gaps or anomalies. Once done, define what the ranking should achieve, accuracy versus freshness, because that choice drives weighting. Make sure to calculate a baseline metric like mean or median to anchor comparisons. This baseline clarifies whether high values are outliers or typical. Finally, flag missing values and set initial imputation rules so the next steps operate on consistent data. You now standardize and combine metrics so scores become comparable. Start by normalizing with z-score, min-max, or log transforms depending on skew. Choose the one that preserves ranking intent. Then compute correlations to avoid double counting and assign weights reflecting your goal, heavy on recency for trending lists, heavier on reliability for accuracy. Once combined into a composite score, inspect the distribution and top K stability. Iteratively tweak weights until the ranking aligns with expected behavior and business conditions. You finish by validating and operationalizing the ranking. Run a/B tests and monitor lift and any negative impact on key metrics. Once confident, deploy with gradual rollout and clear rollback triggers. Make sure to set thresholds and automated alerts for weight drift, data delays, or sudden distribution changes. If something breaks, first recheck raw inputs and recent preprocessing, then verify weight changes and latency. That order prevents chasing spurious symptoms and helps you restore a reliable ranking quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.